Hi, this is Suzanne for Rainbow Loom. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Diamond Trio bracelet. This is a beginner level design. To make this bracelet you will need 12A colored bands, 14B colored bands, 12C colored bands, and a C-clip. I will be using red, black, and yellow. It's a good idea to have these supplies ready before you begin, so pause the video here until you're ready to follow along. Now, let's get started. First, you'll see that your loom arrives in the offset configuration. For this bracelet, we'll need to convert it to the rectangular configuration. To do this, turn your loom over. Use the tool end of your hook to loosen your base plates. You want to just loosen those a little bit, not all the way. Then turn your loom over. This middle bar pin should be loose enough that you can lift it up and get it in line with the others, and then press down firmly. Now you're ready to begin. Make sure that the arrow is pointing away from you. Refer to the graphic on your screen and place the first 12 bands on the loom. 1A will start from the center pin, and we'll stretch it to the second pin on the left. 2B will be stretched up the middle, and 3C will go from the middle pin to the second pin on the right. 4A stretches above this one. 5B connects them, and 6C goes from the right to the center. Now we continue with 7C. Goes from where these ended out to the left. 8B, 9A, 10C, 11B, and 12A. We'll repeat this pattern 2 more times. And the last band is pulled to the center pin. On this last pin, we'll place a B colored cap band. Grab your B band, put 2 fingers through each side, twist it into a figure 8, and then loop it back upon itself. You'll place that on the last pin. Now we're ready to start looping the bands. Turn your loom so that the red arrow is pointing toward you. Refer to the graphic on your screen as you loop the first 12 bands. We'll start from the center pin and we will loop 1A out to the left. Pull the cap band back, reach in and grab the top band, that's your 1A band. Hold the cap band down with your thumb and pull that out to the left. 2B will be looped next. You can reach in the side here, swing around, grab that top band, should be your 2B, and pull it forward. 3C will be looped to the right. Pull the cap band back, grab 3C, and pull it to the right. 4A, you can reach in the point of this band, pull it back, grab 4A, and pull it to the center. 5B will be looped forward, pull, grab it, and pull it forward. 6C, again you can reach in the side, swing around, grab that band, and pull it to the center. We continue with 7C. Pull all the bands above it back. Reach in, grab that with your hook, and pull it out to the left. 8B. Pull all the bands above that band back. Grab it with your hook and pull it forward. 9A. Pull back and pull that to the right. 10C, 11B, and 12A. We'll fast forward from here till the end of the loom. And the last band is pulled to the center pin. Now it's time to finish the bracelet. Pull all the bands on this last pin up to the top. Slide your hook down through the channel and tilt it out to the side. Grab your B band, place it on the end of your hook, pull back, slide your hook back as you go up through the channel, and put both bands up on your hook and slide it to the thickest part. With your fingers, pull the bands up off the pin and remove the bracelet from the loom. Locate that cap band, it's a double loop band, and separate that. Now we're ready to extend. If made on one loom, this bracelet will need to be extended to fit a wrist comfortably. To extend the bracelet, you must first decide how many additional bands you will need to extend. A smaller wrist may only need 3 or 4 bands. A larger wrist may require 6 or more. Place these bands along the side of the loom in a single chain. Once you've placed the number of bands you need, you'll place the cap band from this last pin to the one behind it. On your bracelet, you'll find the cap band and extend that from the last pin to the one behind it. Then you'll loop the bands in a single chain. Once you get to the end of the loom, you'll stretch that last band to the center pin. And this creates an area where you can attach the C-clip. You grab the C-clip so that the open side is facing out and place it over that extension. You can lift that up. Then on the other end, you pull your hook away, slide your 2 fingers through that band. That creates an area where you can attach the other side of the C-clip. You secure your bands on one side of the C-clip, put these on the other. And there you have your finished Diamond Trio bracelet.